Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So these are all penny items from today. You probably have seen that in the clearance section for a bit. Dollar spot penny diapers. So we're gonna go through the UPCs and where I found it bit by bit, and how you can have the most amount of luck with this penny list. And the great thing about today is I actually didn't see other penny shoppers out there. I was kind of like by myself, so I really enjoyed that. And yeah, so we're gonna go through this. Probably one of my favorite finds are these diapers. And again, we'll go through every single UPC so you guys can have the most amount of success. So a lot of the items in this penny list are items to clean your bathroom, which sounds really bizarre, but it kind of tracks. So this Let Me Shine bathroom cleaner in the blue and translucent bottle, it's a penny. So if you go and scan the barcode, it should ring up 0.00, and at the register, it's going to be a cent. And just be really careful with the triggers on these because I had one that spilled a little bit. Of all the bottles that I found today, this was the only one that spilled just a smidge. But here's the UPC, and I'm always happy when cleaners like this go, for a penny. And so I found this one in the regular clearance aisle. It wasn't anywhere special. So yeah, and this is just a better look at it. It has a bit of blue. There's also one that was orange. I did not find it at any store. So you might want to scan it. Anything that's a cleaner in the clearance section, scan it. Or if you might see this on, an end cap or a sky shelf, ask for help with the sky shelf. But here's the UPC. If it rings up 0.00 for you at your store, it should be a penny at the register. And I was just really, really shocked that I found so many. All of those up there are a penny. Man, there's a lot. This is what I got down so far. All pennies, right in plain sight. All pennies. Wow. Now, this is a very special penny item, the Scrubbing Bubbles foaming bleach, because A, it's a penny, but also there's a 50-cent cashback that you can do up to 5 times. Plus, we also have an IBOTTA rebate, if you might do IBOTTA as well, for $1.25 with a limit of up to 5 times. Now, I did it initially where I got my cash back because I had the DG cash loaded. And then for my second transaction, I loaded the IBOTTA and I got all the money back. So I was really, really happy with this. I got $2.50 back with the DG cash back and then like $6 and some change with IBOTTA. And yes, even penny items are triggering these cashbacks or the IBOTTA rebates. So I was really, really grateful for that. And this is what the IBOTTA rebate looks like. The IBOTTA rebate obviously is a little bit better than the 50 center, but hey, I'll take both. And I did find quite a few of these today, just on regular shelves, and they weren't in the clearance section of all places. They were just like on end caps or on sky shelves, which was really unique. Only 2 stores I found them. I know my friend, the Geeky Banana Saves, could not find any of these cleaners, and she was somewhat frustrated. I mean, I would be too. But if you live in a smaller rural market, you might be able to find it. We have this Fantastic, which is another S.C. Johnson product. It's to clean your bathroom, so it's a bleach product. So these are the refills. You get the trigger sprays first, and then you buy the refills, I guess. But 1 cent for this. There was no cash back for this. Only the Scrubbing Bubbles had a cash back. But here is the UPC. Really wish I could have found more of these Windexes, but that was not the case. And these were a penny, and I was just so grateful to find them. And they're just a refill, and it's a multi-surface cleaner. I think a lot of this stuff is from like COVID times, so it's probably like 4 or 5 years old. It's been in the clearance section for a little bit, and even like Dana was saying, like she hadn't seen this in her section in a long time. Who knows? Maybe they replenish these stores, but a lot of this stuff has been around for some time. And yeah, really, really excited with what I found, especially the cleaner. It's probably my favorite thing to penny shop for. Other little item that I found, courtesy of Dana, because she was telling me about this, is this little pre-made bow. I also found a couple little the Dollar General line of like hair barrettes and other little things like that. Sorry guys, I didn't photograph everything, but these bows were really cute. And a lot of stores I went to, I found a bunch. I only grabbed a couple at one store. I thought my nieces and nephews might enjoy it with a gift in the future, but I didn't really, grab absolutely everything. Now, probably my absolute favorite find are the dollar spot diapers, and it's these little 3 counts by Huggies. The Loves are not included, it's Huggies only. They all pennied out. And some of these stores had a huge amount, and a lot of these diapers actually had coupons inside, and I actually popped one open because I was really curious. And these are from 2018. It's a long time it's been in this store, so I'm happy that it finally pennied out and I was able to track down a bunch. And this is probably the one item that I got the most of, which are the Huggies diapers. Always a great item if you have a friend or family member, or if you're having a baby. I mean, obviously, really great. Or a donation item as well. I know they're always looking for that. The one 12 o'clock where it says $5 of coupons inside, we're going to look at the coupon in a second. These are all the 3 counters, and all these variations of these bags were a penny each. I'll show you the UPC here in a quick second, but yeah, I don't think I've ever found penny diapers. Maybe once, but to find this many, it was just like, wow, it was my day. Here are the different UPCs as well, guys, for the different ones. So just go down that dollar spot, or if they might have a clip strip in the baby aisle, perhaps they might have some merchandise there. Even at one store in the dollar spot, this manager came up to me and he's like, we have 2 more boxes on the top, and they were like factory sealed. I'm like, yeah, I'll take all of them. And he went and got them for me. Like, what a nice guy. It never happens, but it happened today. Maybe I need to go buy a lottery ticket. What do you guys think? So because I think you should just go out and try, like, go and look for some of this stuff. If you are on your way home from work and you're looking for toilet bowl cleaner and other little items, shower cleaner, like, by all means, make it happen. And this is the coupon, and it says expiry August the 15th of 2018. And there was like one for like pull-ups and a couple other ones, but yeah, I'm shocked by that. I'm surprised they didn't throw it in the garbage. And then we have this as seen on TV, just something that was hanging out in the clearance section, and it's 1 penny. I actually found 3 of these. They have been in the clearance section forever, and nobody ever bought them except for me today. And it's like to keep your bowl hot or cold for up to 6 hours. It's a really large box, so look for this in the as seen on TV section, or in the clearance section, or they might have it with the clearance event stuff. Who knows? And then just to show you one of my receipts, because I know some of you probably don't believe that I got all this stuff for a penny, but here it is. I would try, guys, if you're on your way home from work, driving your kids to a baseball practice, something like that, where you're going by a Dollar General, to look for this stuff on an end cap, sky shelf, or even in the dollar spot. Like, go and make it happen. And yeah, penny for all this stuff, yes. And altogether today, I think I found about 300 items. Absolutely fantastic.